I'm coming, relax.
She's up.
I have your favorite. No
That's
worries.
inte right. That's not cute.
I have one niece for you. Problem? What's the problem?
No. I really fast food you can bring me?
Yeah.
But man, I eat fast food, I want you. I want to go back in the kitchen, I want to make okra, yam, banana, rice and peas, oxtail, dumpling, jerk chicken, festival, fried fish. Me need it now.
Girl, better can't cook. Think you know you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook, recipe book.
So, I need to talk to you about something.
What going?
So I think I'm pregnant.
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
Ladies and gentlemen, kindly remain seated with your seatbelts fastened.
So I have a surprise for you.
Yo, a surprise for me.
Yep. You know your birthday's coming up.
Yeah, you're surprised I'm always at the bomb, you know.
You never guess what I got you.
What you get me?
I got you some concert tickets.
Hold on. Movado concert.
Who?
Movado.
Movado?
Yeah, Movado. Boop, boop. Movado.
No. We're going to see the mail. Front seat and everything. Backstage passes, the whole thing. Hello? Oh, yes.
Yo, but thinking about this already, but I don't want to hear this.
Not on a 6:30 because you're back in Sit down for this, sit down for this, sit down for the jockey. Sit down for this, sit down for